Man, I love lunchtime. How about you, Darren?
It's a pretty good part of the day, I say.
I bought a forklift just to pick up this burrito. Look at that. One of our other favorite little spots. We're always eating.
Yeah. Work hard,
Free birds.
we eat. Last week when we shot the video, we were like dying. We were so hungry. So we thought, that's just not right.
It's not right. Let's eat first, then work.
Let's eat.
Thanks, guys. We love you guys. Kind of. Bye.
All right, guys. Finished our lunch.
Do I got anything in my teeth?
Feeling good. I don't know.
You know, it's been getting cold over here in California, so we, well, at least me, I've been eating a little bit more. So I gotta cut back. I've been doing more cardio, though.
Yeah, except it's like 80-something right now.
I'm sweating right now. I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah, guys, our weather is crazy. Like, I'm over this heat.
So we got, some of our new machines did come in for the Gin Jazz products. We're testing everything before we show you guys on video, so we don't look like complete idiots.
So what
But
are we doing?
we'll have it all. And you'll love it.
So we've got some films of an install that we did. You actually get to see a sped up laundry install.
You can see who worked more, too.
Okay, I just want to say that maybe he did some things more in front of the camera, but someone's got to run behind the scenes, and part of it was I do all the programming and computer stuff.
She does all the lazy stuff. I'm just kidding. All right, check out what we did last
Yeah,
week.
guys, and we will see you next week on Sales Twins.
Oh, we're already ending? Wow, that was quick.
It's over.
Bye. Fine.
See you.
Thank you
We're
for
done.
supporting us. Check out what we did last week, and that's it.
And whatever.
Whatever.
Bye. Have a good week.
Thanks for watching us, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Oh no. What? You guys are taking out the competition again? Really? The Sales Twins are at it again? Whose pumps are those? They're not ours, and they're coming out. So, Sales Twins are getting referred a lot in the hotel business, and we are coming to install our equipment, show you a little bit before, and then a little after. We are going to also film us installing it, so you get to see that, but all these big brands, I'm sorry guys, we're coming in. Alright everybody, so we're all done. Out with the old and in with the new, latest and greatest technology. And we also have our housekeeping system here. Wow, it's all color coordinated. Anyway, it was fun. Another one done.
Okay.
All right.
We felt bad about leaving just so abruptly like
Yeah,
that.
we were like, whatever.
All right.
So,
Air hug.
bye, guys.
Have a good week.
Thanks for watching our video.
And keep selling! And keep closing deals! No excuses.